Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to poke someone on Facebook. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Start by opening up your Facebook app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the search function, which is right here. It looks like a magnifying glass. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, use the search function and type in poke. Alright, once that's done, just go ahead and hit on enter or search right here on your keyboard. Tap on it. As you can see here, the first result is pokes. Just go ahead and tap on it. I only have one friend right here. Just go ahead and tap on poke to poke the person. All right. If you want to see it from the receiving end, don't worry. I'm going to log into this account as this is my own account. All right. Wait a bit. All right. So this is what it looks like in the receiving end. As you can see right here, this notification, this person poked you. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.